Today I'm going to share with you a few tips you'll need to clean tough stains. Having what you need to remove a difficult stain is one thing, but knowing how to get the stain off your clothes is another. Here are a few tips to get you started. First off, if your article of clothing says to dry clean only, then please take it to the professionals. Do not attempt to remove a stain from a fabric that's dry clean only. Read your clothing label. Know the type of care your shirt needs before you begin. When you begin treating the stain, test your stain remover on a small part of your clothes that's inconspicuous, just to make sure that it's not going to damage the fabric. Normally I do this on the inside of a collar where the material is just a little bit thicker. I will take an old eyedropper that I have that I got for my kids' medicine a long time ago whenever they were little, and I'll take a little bit of whatever I'm using and I will put it on the neck of my shirt just to make sure that, or the hem of my pants, just to make sure that it's not going to damage anything. Now, don't scrub the stain. If you rub the fabric, you might fray the fibers, you might damage the clothing. You want to always blot your area where the stain is. You want to apply your stain remover, you want to let it sit for however long of time, and then you want to blot that area and try to get the stain out. Use a clean cotton cloth to blot with. Don't use warm water. Warm water will set the stain. Always soak or rinse your clothing in cold or tap water. Hot is just not a good idea. And the same goes for the dryer. Don't put your stained item in the dryer ever. You typically want to get the stain out before you even launder it at all. However, if after you think you got your stain out and then you wash the garment and you pull it out and you see that still a little bit there, hopefully you didn't wash it in hot water and never put it in the dryer. Go ahead, set it up, air dry it, and then start treating that stain again. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational videos. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. All right, I'll see you guys later.